Hello students, welcome to SV Technology. In this video, I am going to give a full roadmap for data analytics engineer. In this video, I am going to discuss what is data analytics and what are the skills we require to master that, and what are the project we have to learn while learning this course, and what are the job roles we have, and what are the companies are recruiting data analytics expert, and what is the average package in India for a data analytics expert, what are the free resources we have in data analytics through online for free of cost. To get all this knowledge, please do subscribe to my channel and support me and watch till the end for free resources. Coming to the topic, data analyst gathers and cleans and examines data to uncover insights, then visualize and reports finding to add business decisions. So data analyst simply gathers the data and cleans the data and examine the data, means analysis the data, and by analyzing the data he is going to give reports. Based on that reports, business expert will take decisions in their company. Okay, so what are the skills we require as a data analyst? You want to become a master, means you should know SQL language, structured query language, and you should know a Python or any R programming language, any one of these, and you should know Power BI or Tableau. So I suggest Tableau nowadays over Power BI. And you should know statistics, coming to the mathematics, and you should know business acumen. Okay, all these skills you should know perfectly to become a data analyst. So coming to the project ideas, while you are doing this course, do few projects related to these things, which is sales forecasting and dashboard creation, predictive modeling, and data cleaning projects. So these projects are related to Python, and these projects are related to Power BI or Tableau. So simply while you are learning anything, try to do real-time project, and that will make your resume more attractive for recruiters. So what are the jobs and the companies you can apply to get a data analytics job? So junior data analytics, which is mostly given by Google and Amazon companies like that. Data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, operations analyst, market research analyst, financial analyst, senior data analyst. All these job titles will be uh, trending right now, and all these companies also most famous companies in this India and worldwide. So please do concentrate what are the job titles and companies while learning any course. So coming to the average package, it will be from 3 lakhs to 14 lakhs based on your skill and experience and based on your performance in interviews. So if you take average of this 6.8 lakhs, and if you want more details related to job and things, please go to this website and see. So here I have given few resources for data analytics course, which are giving by edx.org and datacamp.com, codeacademy.com, and mindlister.com. These are the organizations or platforms giving a free course on data analytics basics, and few are giving advanced courses also on data analytics. These courses links I will provide in the description. So before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you are feeling it worthy, and share with your friends. This is Mahesh signing off.